Hey Pectus Warriors, it's Riley Byrne from FixPectus.com. In today's video, I want to take you guys through an awesome, very fast workout for Pectus Excavatum that's going to hit the key muscle groups you want to develop, and it's going to work your cardio all in one. I'm going to do the workout, and so that's why I'm filming it. It's just a workout that I'm doing myself, and I train this way often just for high efficiency, just to get my workouts, quick and effective, and it's also fun. And if you're having fun, then you're going to keep doing the workouts, and therefore, if you keep doing it over time, that's what's going to end up resulting in you getting that progress. And there's also something to be said about this way of training in terms of developing an awesome lean muscular physique. But anyway, let's get into what the workout is first, and then I can break it down more, and then I'll show you guys me doing it. So the workout, what it is it's going to be 5 rounds, 4 times. So it's a for time workout, okay? And it's going to be 16 calories on the row, 8 chin-ups and 8 dumbbell bench press. For me, I'm doing it with 35 kilos in each hand. Scale this to a weight that you can hopefully do all 5 rounds of 8 unbroken. Keep in mind, it's not going to be your typical 8 rep weight because you're going to be doing it under fatigue and for time. And so why this is so great is obviously dumbbell bench presses work in the chest, chin-ups are working the back. They're like the really key main muscle groups as well as abs. I actually just did a 5-minute ab circuit just before, so I definitely recommend to finish this workout off, do some kind of ab circuit. It's a separate video that I made, 5-minute ab workout for Pectus. Check that out, it's on my YouTube as well. Aside from not hitting abs, it is hitting the key muscle groups, which is your chest and back. And then also the rowing machine is going to be working your back a bit. It's a great form of cardio when it comes to Pectus because of that, because it's pulling. So any kind of pulling is great for your posture. That's why we want to train back. Like developing your back helps the Pectus appearance, but it helps open your posture, which helps the Pectus appearance. And it also helps offset all the pushing we're doing in terms of making your pecs tight, which then pulls you forward, so it helps offset that. And then also it's working your cardio. And the reason we want to work cardio for Pectus is because typically I find, even in milder cases, myself included, cardiorespiratory fitness is often impaired to some extent. Not to be a victim by that, I think you need to work on it for that reason, and also for overall health and well-being. Cardio is a style of training we all should be doing, and I think when you do like kind of high intensity interval style cardio with weight training, there's a really great benefit there. You're ticking a lot of boxes all in one. There's something to be said about also doing weight training with a high heart rate. You have a high heart rate, obviously you're pumping blood around your body more, you get a crazy pump, and for me, ever since I shifted to this style of training more, it's really helped me develop it and maintain a really great physique without being as disciplined with my diet. I'm still very disciplined with my diet, but I don't track what I eat or anything anymore, and I actually eat a lot and I just stay lean. So I think doing a lot of cardio and high intensity interval style training while still eating a lot, it enables me to stay quite lean. 3 sets, 8 to 10, that's a great way to train, and definitely what I program for most of my beginners. This style of workout is definitely better if you're more advanced as well, because to be doing weight training movements like a dumbbell bench press under a high heart rate, you need to be quite experienced in it to do it still with good form, because it is very important when we're doing workouts for time that form is still a priority. And that's like a problem with like CrossFit style training, is people see for time and then they just go all out and forget about form. Okay, we want good quality reps. The intention, although it is to get a good time, is also to get a good workout and train the muscles properly and not get injured. And so keep that in mind when you're doing a workout like this. But the reason for time is so good is it creates high intensity, and it makes it tangible to improve, because you have a number on your score, and then if you repeat the workout, you can work on getting better. And guys, it's a big thing that I focus on with my clients is progressive overload, and that's just not lifting more weight, it's also potentially getting a better time on circuits like this. So for my more experienced clients, they have a lot of circuits like this that are so efficient, and they get you such a good result. So anyway, I'm going to do it, and I'm going to film it, and I'm going to enjoy it. So I hope you enjoy me doing the workout. Do it along if you feel like you're experienced enough to do this. As I said, you don't have to do the weight, 35 kilos in each hand. Do a weight that's going to work best for you. All right, thanks guys. And we'll see what my score is. If I had to guess, I'll guess that it's going to take me 13 minutes. Time will tell.
you.